Hello audience, welcome to Attune Infocom. In today's webinar session, we have topic that OCR integration with Alfresco ECM. Myself Rijul Parekh, Senior Open Source Consultant of Attune Infocom. In today's webinar, we have agenda of Alfresco ECM, OCR engines, search content within an image. Very first, about Alfresco ECM, it's an enterprise content management tool. It comes with two editions. One is community, another is enterprise edition. Community edition comes under general public license GPL, having two applications of Alfresco and Share. And latest version of Alfresco comes with a multi-tenant and cloud connected content. So if you are using a latest version of Alfresco with having a Alfresco version 4.2, it's a multi-tenant and cloud connected and version control. Now we'll talk about OCR engines. OCR stands for optical character recognition. It makes content searchable within your ECM. Basically, it transfer your image file into text file. It search scans document. For our Alfresco ECM, we have three most used OCR engines. First is Tesseract, Auto OCR, TOCR, Transym. We'll take Tesseract for this webinar because it is open sourced and this easy to integrate with your Alfresco ECM. Very first, Tesseract OCR, it's developed by Google. It's open source OCR engine, so you can easily take it from Google code, or it will come under the GPL. You will easily find the Alfresco AMPs for Tesseract OCR. Tesseract OCR has capability to read more than 60 languages, and you just need to do some steps to do your content searchable of image. Very first, Tesseract doing the transformation of your image content, whatever image format you are providing, like TIFF format, PNG format, JPEG format. It is just transforming your files to another format, calling text or any other format what you defined. Basically, Tesseract is the transforming in text format, so it can easily indexed and searched. Now we'll take Tesseract OCR integration. To do Tesseract OCR integration, Alfresco OCR integration, we having 4 steps to do. Very first, write transform a file. Then after, trigger OCR engine for transformation. Then upload a scan document or file. We can say that content in our broader view. Fourth one is search your content. So very first, transformation file, you need to write a transformer file. To write your transformer file, here I have provided one link of my transformer file. I'm showing you that. Here is the Tesseract OCR transform context XML file. So once you write this transformer file, you just need to put this file in Tomcat Home shared classes Alfresco extension. Then you need to trigger OCR. To trigger OCR, you need to write ocr.batch file. Here also I provided a downloadable link for ocr.bat. It's a default ocr.bat which I written. And Tesseract transform image file to text file. That's by default. So now I'm showing you how to do that. Here is in my Alfresco Tomcat shared classes extension folder. I put Tesseract OCR transform content. I'm showing content of this file. Here we have content. That this is my transformer file. Now we need to put our trigger file, trigger for Tesseract. Here is I wrote one bash script. Basically Tesseract is working very smoothly on Linux machine. If you are if you wish to work your Alfresco OCR integration on your Ubuntu machine, as I am doing over here, that I am working on Ubuntu Windows machine. All integrations I did on Windows machine. So you need to provide this trigger OCR. If you want, if you're doing just Ubuntu with Ubuntu, you don't need to put this in this trigger for OCR. So here I have put this trigger for OCR engine. Basically this is the path for my Tesseract exe which I provided, and this is my temp file which I provided over here. So now we are going to upload our content. Here in my Visual Park space, I created one space called my Alf space. I'm going to upload one content over here, that is test file. Whenever you are uploading this test file, just check in your temp folder. You will see that this image going to be transformed by transformer, and you will find one text file. Here we got one text file. It almost same content it transform what is in the image. I'm showing that thing on Alfresco board. We have one word called dog. Go to repository. Here my space, my Alf space. In my Alf space, I got this TIFF. So content within my TIFF file, it's searchable now. Okay, this content, it's almost same about this transformed content. So with 300 dpi, it is giving a 98% accuracy. If you go for lesser and customized fonts, your accuracy level will be degrading. So like this way you can search your content. We uploaded one file, and you can also scan your content. If your Alfresco is working with a scanner, your scanned document will be directly go to in repository, and Tesseract engine will work and convert all image content into text file. This text file going to be stored in a file system. So if your temp file gonna be delete, you don't worry about that. Your content still there will be searchable. Then after whatever the content is transferred from image file, that will be indexed, and once indexing is completing, your your content will be searchable for that particular image. So simple thing is that whenever you are scanning or uploading a 5 file, 10 file, your performance of the Alfresco as well as machine won't be affected. But whenever you are doing 100 or 200 files, your performance will be little bit low, because as Tesseract OCR will doing transformation at that time, your CPU usage little bit go high. But it comes whenever you are doing 100 or 200 scanning, or we can say that you simultaneously your 50 users are doing scanning or uploading a document, and at the same time Tesseract.ocr is working. So these both are open source integrations, so you don't need to buy an enterprise version of rather Alfresco or Tesseract OCR. We are using that community edition only Alfresco, as well as these Tesseract OCR are open source. So you can take a direct Tesseract OCR.amp is available on Google Code. You can directly deploy in that AMP in Alfresco bin by putting Alfresco bin and just apply bin files, AMP files, and directly you can deploy that Tesseract OCR by that way. But it is best suitable for Ubuntu or Linux machine. Whenever you are working on Windows machine like this way, AMP file won't work properly. Any questions? Thank you very much. For more information, you can catch us on www.18infocom.com.